Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, it's Mark, welcome back. So I just get my haircut, I look like somebody's child now, but the video that you're about to watch, it's not complete, it's just an idea that I have in my head that I want to bring forth, but somehow, I don't know, probably I'm better off around more people, around company, I'm more lively, but I was just tired and I tried to shoot it and it never came out the way that I want to do it. I explained part of it in the video and it was just jumbled and mumbled. I just hope you enjoy the editing aspect of the video itself and the music. That's about it. But there's nothing, I guess nothing else to it more than that. But I'm going to try again. I'm going to try again. But I just want you guys to see, because every time I say that I'm going to do something, I don't actually do it. So now I'm just trying and then show you guys, I want it to be nice. I want it to be professional, but somehow it never does come out that way. I was tired, just came from work and stuff, so yeah. But I appreciate each and every one of you, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I really am grateful for all the support that you have given me, and I'll continue to try. No, rain is falling and I have to use the outside light, so there's lots of stuff that's going on that needs to be done. Needs to be, to ensure that I bring across better vlogs, but it's going to take time, so just bear with me. I won't even complain about it. It's going to take time and resources and money and stuff like that, and being that I'm not earning from YouTube, it's going to take longer for me to actually invest that amount of money into it, to actually get certain equipments that I want, even make videos in the night time. I can't even make videos in the night time because I don't even have lights and stuff, but anyway, hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. See you on the flip side.
You certainly need a lot of paraphernalia in your trade.
Yeah, cymbals, timp, bongo, tambourine.
What are these things?
These are clays.
What are they for?
Set of rhythms the Latin Americans did. Here, let me show you.
See? Very simple. Indeed. Very simple. The ends of the guitar strings, the claves used for Latin American rhythm. And then he approached his victims from the rear, looped the wire over their heads, and... Ooh, how terrible. It's very clever. As we jazz lovers say, this routine is murder.
Alright, so finally made it. My choice selection that I did was the Zinger. I got the Zinger meal. So it comes with the Zinger sandwich right here. I'll open it and let you see. The Zinger sandwich comes with a cookie, and it also comes with wedges. I paid $5.33 for it after tax. It's a $5 fill-up box. So I'll try this and see how it works. I'm so tired though, I'm super tired. So if you hear me going, tuning out, it's because I'm tired but I'm hungry at the same time. So let me show you guys what I get for the 5. And this is just a small cookie. So So this is what it looks like. So that's a $5 fill up right there. And you also get a juice, which I took water. So I had too much juice already, so I just took the water. Yeah. But the format that I want for this video was I want to do like a voiceover narration for these videos to see how best it come across. I don't have a mic or anything, but I try my best with the voiceover to ensure that I get some good result from the voiceover. So I'm going to dip into it and then let you guys know how it is or how it is when I finish. Alright, let me try the burger. Try the smaller side. That's good. Sure. That's true.